Rita, do you know our presentation is coming soon?
Of course, I know we are going to comparing and contrasting higher education in Taiwan and other countries. We have discussed for this in the last lesson. Do you remember?
Oh, sure. We are going to compare in 4 items. There are entrance exam ranking.
There are also have tuition fee and grading.
Oh, I remember the scoring methods are different in Taiwan, Hong Kong, and Macau. For Macau and Taiwan, they are using marks that's 0 to 100, and Hong Kong is using GPA, that's the higher is only to 4.
I have researched some information for entering ex Hong Kong. Is using Hong Kong the Diploma of Secondary Education examinations, and the Taiwan is using General School's ability tests and advanced subject tests. For Macau, there are two types of examinations. One is independent entrance exam, and the other one is joint admissions for Macau for higher education institution.
Here are some information about the ranking. I know the best university of these countries are the University of Hong Kong, National Taiwan University, and University of Macau. Do you have any information for our presentation?
Of course, here is the most important element of studies. Do you know what is that? Is tuition free. In each country, we, we have compare with each country. The most expensive is Hong Kong and the cheapest is Taiwan.
Oh, I see. But I think we need more specific information for our presentation.
Oh yes, I think so. Shall we do the research now?
Oh, sure, let's go.
Hello, today I'm going to introduce you my presentation. My presentation is talking about what different entrance exams between Taiwan, Hong Kong, and Macau. Because I'm born in Taiwan, so I know there are two kinds of entrance exam in Taiwan. First is General Scholastic Ability Test. The second is Advanced Subject Test. Then I also have two classmates are living in Hong Kong. They told me they usually take Hong Kong Diploma of Secondary Education examination, which abbreviation is HKDSE. Then the entrance exam in Macau is more special than other places because there is no uniform entrance test in Macau. Macau students usually take the exam they hold by college. The last thing is that apart from domestic exam, both students in Hong Kong and Macau like to take international recognized exam like GCSE and SAT, which can they then go to other country to study. That's all. Thank you for your listening.
Hey, Sunny. So we are going to talk about the project about comparing the college in Taiwan and other countries. So we have basically divided our project into four big categories. The first one will be the entrance exam, the second one will be tuition fees, the third one will be the grading system, and the last one will be the ranking among colleges in Taiwan and other countries. So let's talk about the entrance exams first. So we will talk about the entrance exams in Hong Kong, Taiwan, and Macau. Hong Kong will be mainly the HKSE, but some of the international school students will take the SAT or the IB or the GCSE system. And the second one will be the Macau entrance universities entrance exams. They will have 独立考试, which is individually examinations among different universities. And the last one will be the Taiwan education system, which is entering exams, which will be the 学测 or the 职考. And the second one, we will talk about the tuition fees among Taiwan, Hong Kong, and Macau. But the tuition fee between Macau and Hong Kong will be more or less or the same, which is about 40k Hong Kong dollars per year. And for Taiwan, it is really cheap really inexpensive comparing to Hong Kong or the Macau universities, which is about 30 to 70k per semester. And we will also talk about the international students studying in different kind of countries, the tuition fees of them. And the third one will be the grading system. In Hong Kong, or mainly worldwide, we will use the GPA system. But in Taiwan, mainly universities use marks to grade people, such as 0 to 100. And yes, this is pretty much we will talk about the grading system in Taiwan and comparing to other countries. And the last one will be the ranking of universities in Taiwan, Hong Kong, and Macau. We will mainly talk about the best college in different kind of countries. And so we will have a little bit comparison between three of them and comparing them about different kind of aspects, like in different kind of faculty, which is the best one among all. So I think this is pretty much we will talk about it in our project about comparing the college in Taiwan and other countries.